Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Eli from Kingsbridge Autos, based in Leeds, West Yorkshire. We have another lovely Volkswagen Tiguan R-line, 2-litre TDi DSG. So the R-line model is the top of the range, the most desirable, and generally these look best, in my opinion certainly, in white, which we would buy and sell a lot of them. And we only get the R-line models, and we only get them with the optional electric memory leather interior, as that is what most people tend to look for, as it's obviously easy to clean and feels more luxurious to sit in. They are quite rare to find them with the leather interior, certainly a lot harder than the standard cloth fabric interiors. So this is another model with a really nice spec. It's a 2017 67, so it's an end of 2017. So it's still under 2 years old, this car. So it's still got VW warranty, breakdown assist, and obviously it's not due an MOT. The car is absolutely immaculate. It's got the aluminium roof rails, the privacy glass, the 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that come with the R-line trim, LED lights at the back and full LED adaptive cornering lights at the front, which do all sorts of fancy tricks. This one's got the badge delete from the factory, so it's got no model designation badges at the back, so it looks a lot cleaner and neater, as you can see there. Really nice condition. This car's been properly looked after by its former owner. Bodywork is unmarked. You can see there the extra sensors for the automatic parking. This car has that option, and again the sensor there as well. You've got the lovely LED headlights, the LED daytime running lights there, the R-line badges, and the additional body kit in gloss black that you get on the R-line. Stunning car, great family car, and they look really well. And like I say, this one is just absolutely immaculate. It's got about 30,000 miles on it currently. Perfect condition again. So we'll just go through the interior. Now this one's got the optional electronically deployable tow bar. You just pull that button there and it drops down, you just pull it up. Drop down seats there, 12-volt socket. The owner wisely put a tray in underneath here. You've got the spare toolkit locking wheel nut just there. This just protects the boot. So here you've got the fantastic R-line Vienna leather interior, which was just short of £2,000 as a factory option. Comes with lovely contrast white piping and stitching, as you can see there. You've got the electronic double pan roof with power blind as well. That's standard on the R-line. This has got the winter pack with front and rear heated seats. You've got the additional USB socket and 12-volt socket there as well. You've got the pull-out trays here for kids reading books or whatever they iPads, I guess, in the back. If anything like my kids are on them all the time. And then to the action area, the driver's cockpit. You've got the lovely white stitch padded leather on the door as well. You've got heated auto dimming, power folding wing mirrors. You've got the R-line backlit stainless steel entry plates, and this one also has the 2017 Tiguan entry plate, which they updated it slightly for the end of 2017. The electric memory driver seat with lumbar, lovely R-line embroidery there, and that lovely black leather with white stitching. Steering wheel straight out of the GTI. The automatic lights. The digital dash. So this car's got the adaptive cruise control, which is standard, but it's also got the active lane keeping assist, which will actually actively steer the car and keep it in lane based on the cameras detecting the white lines on either side. So that combined with the adaptive cruise control gives it really semi-autonomous technology, so it can drive itself. Although if you keep your hands off the wheel for more than, and I have tried this for longer than a few minutes, it does ping up to remind you to put your hands back on the wheel and take over control of the car. It's quite a cool feature. I'm not sure if the earlier models had the active lane. I know they had lane assist, but I'm not sure if it was the active one. But this one certainly does. This one also benefits from the facelift, updated touchscreen navigation with a bigger screen, without the buttons on the side, which the pre-late 17 ones don't have this feature yet, and it's a lot better than the previous one. Got heated seats, climate control, 2 USB sockets and 12-volt socket. You've also got the, if you can just see there, wireless charging, so put your phone there and it'll wirelessly charge it without any need to plug it in. You've got automatic handbrake, hill hold, auto hold assist, or hill hold assist. You've got all the buttons there to go for sport, individual, normal driving mode or eco, and then the revolving dial where you can select off-road or different driving modes there. You've got the parking, which gives you the rear parking camera option on this particular vehicle, and parking sensors and on-screen display. Again, that was a factory option, very desirable one to have. And then you've got the automatic parking, which then will park itself into the spot. You just simply hit the indicators to the left or right, depending which side you want it to park on. You've also got the stop start off button there. Radio's got DAB, FM, etc., as you'd expect. You've got various different media sources that you can use to play media through, whether it's your phone with the Bluetooth audio, USB connections, the internet that's built in, CD, memory card, etc. There's absolutely loads of choices there. Phone control, navigation, very clever where it teaches the most frequent route. Has speed limit display, which displays on the dash there as well. You can't really see it on the camera, you can certainly see it there. And also gives you traffic updates around you, so that's quite a clever system. You've got Apple CarPlay on this, so you can actually connect your Apple phone or your Android and pull up all the apps. You could use Waze or other apps on your phone on the main screen. You've got car there, which goes through various options and menus. And then you've got the main apps menu, which again, this is unique to this later model, which gives you various options such as your traffic thing there, which will give you all the traffic. You've got various settings. You can play images, air conditioning, sound, all set up through this lovely app style interface. So yeah, really cool, and much better than the previous one. You've got the frameless rear view mirror, which is a lovely feature on these. Buttons for your roof, opening roof and blinds, and I think that is pretty much everything there is to show you, ladies and gents, on this car. So it's priced at £26,000. I can do fantastic finance options on the car, so if you want to do either no deposit or small deposit, we can do that. And like I said, the car's still got warranty, doesn't need an MOT yet. It's got good tyres all the way around, the correct Continental tyres, and yeah, it's ready to go for the new owner. So please give me a call if you're interested and like to discuss it further, or you'd like to come view. But the car is exactly how it should be. So look forward to taking calls, emails or messages. Any questions or anything else, just send them across.